everyone, and a very warm welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be showing you step by step how to do a deep flush or deep cleanse of your radiator. And what I will be using is Liqui Moly's radiator cleaner. One of these 300ml bottles is enough for 10 liters of water. So the reason your car might be overheating is because the passageways within the engine might be dirty, clogged up, radiator might not be good. Alright, so it's been about almost 5 hours that I drove my car. Next, after the car cools down, we want to make sure there's no pressure. We release the top cap. Then we're gonna go under the radiator. You'll see inside this nut, it's plastic, is actually a place for a screwdriver. And you'll turn that out. There you can see it releases the water. And you also want to turn out this one. This is for your reservoir tank, and it will release everything for the water pump and the pipes. Mine isn't really that dirty, it's actually quite clean. And remember, this is after keeping the solution in for about 5 hours on operating temperature. This is called a deep cleanse. So next we'll be putting back the reservoir cap. Just hand tight. We'll be flushing the system with fresh water. So we'll be removing this again for the radiator reservoir, because we need to get all the fluid out now. Now with everything drained off completely, we'll be putting the caps back. And then I'll show you a little trick. I found that a coin works the best to tighten these down. It fits right into the slot. Next we'll be filling our radiator with the antifreeze. I'm using Hepu. It's a very good German make. And no, I am not sponsored by any of these. So as you can see, I'm just at halfway on the one bottle, and my car is supposed to take both of these and a little bit more. These are only 10 liters, I take 10.5. Where you see the coin at the moment is the relief valve. You need to open that and you'll see it disappears. That will get rid of the airlock, and you can continue filling up. You can actually see the bubbles fizzing, and it's starting to push out some of the excess water, and I'll wait for that to turn to the pinkish color. So I got most of the green stuff out, so I'll be putting the relief valve back. So I'll be putting this back, and I'll be starting the car. Then we'll be opening this, and we'll be slowly relieving every time as it gets to temperature and it starts circulating. Doing this, make sure you put on your aircon, Put it about midway and put it on the hottest setting. This will enable the water to circulate. As you can see, no fluid is coming out, but it's taking antifreeze. That is the airlock. Tighten that down, and I'll be overfilling just slightly, just to where you can see the water entering into the reservoir. Close off your radiator. So over a course of about the next 3 days, I monitored my car every time she cools down, and I checked her cooling system fluids to make sure that she doesn't run low. If there should be another airlock that comes loose and the water level drops, then I just top that up. I had about 2 airlocks that came loose, and the third time I checked, she was perfectly fine. So that is it for your entire deep cleanse radiator flush. Thank you so much for watching the video. It means so much to me, and if you're not subscribed yet, consider subscribing. Maybe poke a bit around on my channel, see if there's maybe anything else that sparks your interest. Give this video a thumbs up, hit that thumbs up button. It makes it easier for other people to see and for YouTube to recommend the video. I'll see you guys on the next one.